Okay, so this is my Corolla mileage, and yes, I'm watching Will Chang on YouTube because he has this supercharged Corolla, the 2ZZ variant, and the turbocharged Corolla, which is the LE. So you already have two Corollas, supercharged and a turbocharged. But this Corolla of mine, same 9th generation, but I'll show you how different it is. Because this Corolla is built not for speed. This Corolla is built for daily comfort driving or pleasure. Soundproof. Let me show you how. Let me show you, okay? Okay. Fender liner, I did put sound deadener. Also on this passenger side, you hear it? Including this, I did put a sound deadener. See? The hood. And of course, the roof. If you can knock your car and sounds like this, then I would believe that your car is soundproof. Add another layer of, well, two layers actually. All the door to hold the door seals and everything. All the doors. See? There are three layers here. I'll show you the, by the way, I'm using Yokohama Heavy Descent GT tires, and that tire is so quiet. See? It put the sound deadener in also. Also, don't run my plate, okay? I also put an additional layer of rubber here. See, it being pinched here. Giving me a much better base. That's my ultra cap. My sub. Watch this, listen. I just dropped it and it sounds super solid. That's it. By the way, if you are wondering what a normal car sounds like when you knock it, here, the hood of on the Civic, the door, G, the roof, See how loud it is? How about this? The previous one. Yeah, this one sounds like more a Corolla. Sounds like Corolla before sound deadening. Almost the same. Almost the same.